Hello everyone, in this video we see how to install and configure Jenkins latest version on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux 24.04. Then go to Jenkins official website, it is jenkins.io. Then click on documentation, then click on installing Jenkins. Then select Linux, then see here the prerequisites. We must have, these are the minimal hardware requirements and these are the recommended ones, and also we must have the Java 21 or later versions. First verify software requirements matched or not. Java -- version. See, we have the Java latest version. If you are unable to find the, if you have to install Java, then just, if you don't have Java, then just click on this Debian or Ubuntu, scroll down. See here we have to run these commands to install Java JDK. Okay, then once Java is installed, now see here we have the two types of Jenkins: long-term support release and weekly release. I always strongly recommend you to install long-term support release only. Okay, so we have to run these commands one by one to set up the Jenkins. First two lines is a single command. Paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. It is done. Control L. Now install next to 3 lines. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Control A. Now install Jenkins. Sudo apt install Jenkins. See, we are installing Jenkins and this NetTools. Type and hit enter. See, we are installing Jenkins version number 2.555.2. We have successfully installed. Now scroll down. Verify the status of the Jenkins. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins is installed and it is active and running. If you want to verify the version of the Jenkins -- version. See, we have installed 2.555.2. Okay, Control A. Now connect to Jenkins by using localhost. See, port number 8080. Okay, new tab, localhost, port number 80. Not only localhost, we can give the loopback IP or host name. Okay, or IP of the machine. I will show you all 3 options. Now we have to get the initial administration password. So copy this one, sudo more. See, this is the initial administrator password. Copy it, paste it, then click on continue. Now we have 2 options: install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. In this video I am going to install suggested plugins. So click on this install suggested plugins. Now we have to create first admin user. Provide the username, then set the password for this user, re-enter the same, then provide full name, email, then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. Then click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. See, we got the Jenkins dashboard. See, here we have the new item, build history, build queue, build execution status. And see here, if you want to create job, click on here. If you want to set up distributed build, set up an agent, set up configure cloud and other options. Now click on this manage Jenkins. See here we have different options: system, plugins, clouds, appearance, nodes, tools, credentials, users, security, different sections, status, troubleshooting, tools and actions. Okay, if you go to users, if you want to change the password of current user, click on this user ID, then go to security, set the password, then you have to click on save. Okay, this is the way. Now go to again, go to Jenkins settings. If you want to create user, again click on this users, create user, then you have to fill all the details. Okay, now click on this plugins, click on available plugins. You can search for plugins whatever you want. If you want to see the installed plugins, click on this install plugins. See, these are the installed plugins. Okay, now we'll see what will happen if we stop the Jenkins. Sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Now verify the status. See, Jenkins service is inactive or dead. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. So to connect to Jenkins service must be up and running. So start it again. Q to quit. Control A. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. We have started Jenkins 2 seconds ago. Q to quit. Now reload this page. See, we are able to connect. So provide the Jenkins user, provide the username that you have created. See, we have successfully connected. As I told you, we can connect by using different methods. Not only with local, as I told you, you can connect Jenkins not only with local host, you can also connect by using local host, by using host name, loopback IP or IP of the machine. Okay, loopback IP is 127.0.0.1, port number 8080, hit enter. So you got the login page. Otherwise, host name, copy this host name, paste it, port number 8080. The last option that I want to show you is how to stop, start and restart Jenkins. Okay, now the last option I want to show you is how to restart Jenkins. Sudo systemctl restart Jenkins. Verify. See, we have restarted. Okay, control A. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest version 2.555.2 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more Jenkins or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.